Hi, I'm Bryan Baeumler. As a contractor and a homeowner, I'm always searching for new products that can help me control costs, save time, and produce a better finished product. Trusscore checks all those boxes. If you couldn't tell, I'm here today at the Trusscore factory in Palmerston, Ontario, to talk about Trusscore wall and ceiling board and Trusscore slat wall high-strength PVC panels that are quick and easy to install due to their tongue and groove interlocking system. So what I want to know is, how do you get from a bag of raw material to a finished Trusscore panel? Trusscore products are transforming residential construction. Why? Because they're designed as the ideal alternative and improvement for conventional residential wall systems like painted drywall. Drywall has been used in the construction industry for a long time. As a product, it's okay, but it's got a lot of drawbacks. It's heavy, it's very labor intensive to install, enormous amounts of it end up in the landfills after every job, and drywall doesn't do well when it gets wet. It shows water stains, it swells, it could support mold and mildew growth if exposed to moisture. Trusscore is a totally different story. Trusscore products don't degrade, they don't break down. They typically outlive the life of the building they're installed in, and they're tough. Here's why. Every piece of wall and ceiling board has internal truss design. Truss equals Trusscore. Get it? Which gives the product incredible strength, yet in a panel that's very lightweight. That makes it easy on a do-it-yourselfer's back muscles or your contractor's back muscles. Speaking of which, Trusscore installs incredibly quickly and easily, far quicker than drywall. That saves time and money for contractors and DIYers. The nice thing about it too is it comes in a bright finish that enhances the natural light, and it just looks amazing. No painting is required, meaning more time and money savings. You never have to repaint it the same color. If you accidentally scratch it, it's the same color all the way through. You might not even notice it. Other things I like, it's very easy to clean. You can even pressure wash it. Now imagine being able to wash your car in your garage. Sounds like something's happening over here.
It's happening fast.
So this is a recycling center, and environmentally, it's fantastic. The product is totally recyclable, including all the offcuts. So if you're thinking of upgrading new construction or renovating a garage, a mudroom, a basement, or building a home gym, Trusscore is ideal. I can think of other uses too, like pantries and closets. And if you were planning a commercial project like a kitchen or a car wash, it's perfect. In addition to the utility of Trusscore products, the thing I find unique about Trusscore is its commitment to research and product development. Trusscore calls itself a material science company. What's that mean? Well, it means that Trusscore is determined to be a technology leader in the building materials space to deliver modern, functional, improved products that no one would think of living without. The building trades have traditionally been slow to adapt to new methods and materials. Trusscore is challenging that tradition and pushing the envelope with new products and methods that make more functional homes, more comfortable homes, and safer homes. As a builder looking out for his customers, I like that a lot, which is why I like Trusscore.